Hi, if you would like to change the language on your Huawei Band 9, then you would need to change the language on your phone first. So for that, let's open settings on the phone. Here we need to go in the General Management tab and after that find the language. And now we can tap the button to add one and choose any language from the list. For example, let's choose Ukrainian and here it is. Now we have two options, to keep current or to set this new language Ukrainian as default. So let's use it. And now we just need to wait till it will translate to the Ukrainian language on our phone. And now our watch will be automatically translated to this language as well. So let's just check it. For that I'm gonna press this power button and yeah, everything just switched to the Ukrainian language. If you want to switch back to the English or to your any other language, you just need to select it, tap the blue button and wait a couple of seconds till it will be translated once more. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.